Welcome to another BIOS update. Chua. Yeah. Oh. MSN 432. Yeah. No. Yeah. Yeah. No. Yes. Yeah. Oh, right there. Oh, pretty board. Support. BIOS. Oh, that is the... Where is it going? Where is it going? What's going on? What's going on? Oh, wait a minute. Oh. I don't know why it's doing that, but we have 1501 and we want the latest, which is 1703. So we're going to click on global download. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Go to recovery options. Click. Advanced startup. Restart. Troubleshoot. Advanced options. UEFI firmware. Settings. Restart. Oh, by the way, do not plug in when you have your mouse and keyboard plugged in because it takes up the bandwidth and it messes with the mouse capabilities. So I had to turn it over and stick it in here. Oh, now we have BIOS. Instant flash for ASRock. Yes. No image file detected. Makes me question what's going on. So we move to a different port. Let's try this port. We try again. No file detected. Okay, we're gonna restart. Now we try to hit the delete key repeatedly. Okay, let's try again. Instant flash. No image detect. Oh, I know why. I never put the file on there. I'm such an idiot. You cannot update BIOS unless you have the file on the thumb drive. You dummy. Open up File Explorer. Let's go to downloads. Here we go. Right click. And we're going to extract all. Extract all right back to the same spot. And that is what we want. Oops, we don't want to open. We want to do a right click. Copy. Then we go down to USB drive. We paste. Now file on it. Now we go back to BIOS. Okay, now we're back in BIOS. I have it in the new position, even though the old position probably would have worked. We go back down to instant flash. Yes. Oh, look at that. Now it's there. Haha. Update. Update it. And leave alone, walk away, go give someone a call. I just noticed I could put it on top of my PC and you can see the CPU temperature and the RGB lighting. That's kind of cool. That was kind of cool. Oh. It's magnetic. 45% in climbing. Oh, there we go. We are done. Reboot the system. This could take up to a couple reboots. Just an FYI. And I don't know why my voice is changing throughout this whole entire video, but it's kind of funny. And I'm just doing a quick BIOS update because this PC is going to be for sale. Here we go. Windows is loading after 2 or 3 reboots, and we're going to get back into Windows, check to make sure the BIOS was updated, and then close out this video. Well, since these updates are going to take a while, we're only at, well, what's 7? No, 16, 19, 20%. I think I'm going to stop the video now. This may not take too much longer. If it doesn't, I will continue to make sure the BIOS is up to date, but 99.9% chance the BIOS is perfectly fine. I've done these 100 times. So that is how you update a BIOS. It's restarting again, so this might take a few more minutes, and I don't want to make this video any longer. So take care, guys, unless, of course, I come back. All right, would you look at that? Let's go ahead and just check this out quick. Let's see. Oh, I'm going to do a right click, and we go to run. And then we're going to check here, and if we can see right here, BIOS version and date, we are updated to 1703 with that date in mind. So there you go. That's how you update a BIOS. Quick, simple, easy.